Hey guys, it's me Lily. So today I'm with a friend, Matt. So today we're going to play some plumber with friend versus friends. Okay, let's get started. This is an app game. So you want to that I'm first or you? Yes, I or you? Okay, so it's going to be we're practicing because we wanted. So time attack. What do you want? Choose your destiny. Okay, so you want girl or boy? Okay, you go for the guy. You go for the guy. What is this? Okay, so you start, okay? Okay. I won when we are practicing with us. I don't know, I'm good at it. I played this because I see a video of this and I was like, oh my gosh, this is a little bit awkward and I want to try it. So I tried it. And I was like, I didn't have a channel by that time. So like, when I have a channel, I'm gonna just do a series like friend versus friend and play some random games and yeah. So, like you see, Max is concentrating. We're up. Okay, so your score is 10. No. Yeah, because he knows that I'm gonna win. Because there's time I win him, so I win him like when I was like I don't know 2 years ago I played this with my brother and I win like 15 rounds and I was like. Okay, so I think that I'm winning. Oh my god. 10 seconds. I win! I won! So, you want to do a rematch? Yes. Okay, so let's do a rematch. You want to get started? Okay, so now I get to choose. So, I want the time attack. And I want... No, it's boy. I want a boy. We'll have to do it again, okay? Okay. So, can you give me one? Yes. Okay. Time attack. Nubby. Okay, so you want to get started? Get started quickly. Yes, quickly now. Wait for me. Wait for me. Do a Pepsico. You didn't know we're eating some popsicles. Ese mismo nomás quedó. You like record. You. I don't know. Yes. You win. Victory!
No.
Yes. I win 2 rounds. Victory! Okay, you want to do another rematch? You want?
No.
Okay. So that's all of it. So thank you guys for watching. See you later.